So, hello and welcome to another updated tutorial about the back office in AURUM product and affiliate because of many questions we received in the past weeks due to the updated back office, due to our crazy success with 50 to 100 new users, clients, affiliate partners every single day. Alliance One is really great and super grateful for all the top stars we have on board. So let me guide you through the back office without showcasing any names, which makes sense. This is the account I'm using as a demo, which I have placed for my little daughter Lucy. And on the dashboard, first what we are seeing is the available balance, which is ready to be paid out. And we see on her product what was the profit for the last 7 days. Okay, here we can also top up using USDT and USDC in different networks. We can withdraw, and it shows us that we have purchased the AURUM ecosystem for $19.99. It also shows that her own product in the XAI bot is based in business with an 80-20 share, and I will come to this in a little bit. We have the statistics, which gets updated in a little while because it now shows earnings and profit same time, which makes not too much sense. This will be updated to pure profit based on the XAI bot. Next, we see that little Lucy has the rank of diamond. On her way to double diamond, you know the names are going to be changed. You will see it in the back office soon, and it gets executed on August 1st. Then the diamond will become the AURUM Prime. Much cooler name, right? So here we are, and now down below it would show us more names, which I'm not going to do as of now. So now let's go first into the product itself, or let's start with finance. Okay, finance is the second option because it gives you a beautiful overview with many filter options. Again, it shows me my main balance. I can also top up my main balance as discussed, explained. We have an overview of, hey, you have a deposit profit made of more than $5,900 as of now. You have made an affiliate earning, not revenue, it's earnings, so little typos are still being corrected. An affiliate earning of 27,000, which is without the rank bonus. This is coming on top. And last not least, and this is quite interesting, as many people have no clue that they have earned way more than they are aware of. Because you are not only earning in USDT, but also in BNB, in Bitcoin, in Ethereum, paper, and so on, Doge. And these are being showing here, but in case you want to take out, you have to use the Neobank app in Telegram. You go to the affiliate section and then to pay out. And there you see commissions which you have earned, like said, in BNB, in Ethereum, in Bitcoin, and so on and so forth. In case team members of you making use of the bot, and you are getting an override, same as in the XAI bot, but it is only available in the Neobank app, and there you can take it out. And there is not a single week where people get surprised to see, oh my God, I made earnings over there, I wasn't aware of it. So just check the Neobank app in the Telegram, and you will probably see earnings which you are not have expected to be there. Another balance sheet showing, okay, in the XAI bot, we have a deposit of all in all $11,596. Okay, we have the balance which I showed you above, and now we see all the transactions. And let me quickly go to the transactions. And here you have the new beautiful way of filtering what you want, the time frame, but also the type. And there's literally everything from top up, über deposit profits, extra bonuses, license, flash loans, live trading, AURUM token. Everything possible on transaction is listed, and you can filter it the same. And then you see the overall scenario, what has happened in USDT. And you can see I just have brought up my affiliate earnings just a minute ago, making the German tutorial. You see the earning. Now you see Doge earnings, paper, Ethereum, BNB, Bitcoin. And this is also happening every single day. But like said, you will find it in your zoo spot in the Telegram mini app /Neobank. Now, let's quickly go to the product, because also here a lot of mistakes are being made. Let's avoid them. You see, we have the XAI bot, the AURUM token, license, Polygon wallet, and flash loan is all about the arbitrage. I will do another video in a short while, but I am right now. We are still in beta, focusing only on the XAI bot. Okay, and that's what I'm going to show you. And first of all, it shows me what rank, what tier level we are in. Like I showed you, it's a business, okay? Which is a range of $5,000 to $9,999, which gives you a 80-20 share. It shows me the overall deposit made. It shows me the profit, but this I have just taken out recently. That's why it's on zero. Only tonight at 10 p.m. Dubai time, it will be again happening. The statistics we talked about, the calculator, which is beautiful and now available also for several years to get an idea what's possible. Just try it. And now we see the deposits, and that's quite important to understand. In this case, by purpose, I made 2 contracts underneath my daughter. The first one, on February 22nd, I put $5,000, which is not on reinvest, as you can see. So the $3,905 I have taken out for her as a kind of pocket money since then. So it's more than 80% already ROI happened. By purpose, I decided to make another contract with $5,000 on April 19. And this I put on compounding / reinvest. So it now is already 6,596 and it's producing more and more profit every single day. For most of you, it makes no sense. You have to keep in mind, this company is built and was built for community users, for institutional investors, for companies who wants to treat their employees with different AI bot investments or deposits. So you can have so many contracts running same time with all your filter and all your filing options. But for most of you, it makes much more sense to say I only have one contract running, and if I want to top it up, very important, please listen carefully, don't go here to create deposit, because this will make a new contract, like I did in this account by purpose. You want to do like this. You are going to a certain investment, to a certain contract. Let's say we take the first one, and I want to add money to this one. So here I'm clicking on the top up button here. That gives the add-on exactly on this product only. And this makes sense. If you see here, I'm clicking on top up. This window appears. It tells me right now I'm in the range of business. And now I want to top up this 251, which is available. 251. For example, and it shows me, okay, if you do this top up, you still be in business with the 80-20 share. But for example, if I would have deposited to my account another $5,000, or let's say 3,500, then it will bring me to the next level, to the VIP level. And of course, if either by compounding or by adding more external funds to an existing account, you will go up in ranks. In my case, 251 is not enough to go to the next rank, but still it shows me, hey, if you put 251 on top, you will now have 6,847. You will have an expected profit of 14-something%, and per year to be estimated or to be expected based on the historical data will be $12,000 in earnings, in profit, which I can now confirm or cancel. I'm going to cancel it now. Okay, so always if you want to add to an existing contract in order to reach a next level, you always use this top up feature at your product. So always scroll down below and do not use this one, because this will set up a new contract. All right, now quickly let's have a look at the affiliate structure, at the affiliate overview. And it tells me on top I can go to the partner statistics, which I cannot do in this video, not to disclose names. It shows me the affiliate balance, which I just have transferred to my main balance. For you, important to understand one more time, in AURUM you have 3 wallets. The main wallet, which is like your current account, where you can top up, where you can take out anytime 24/7. You have a trading profit account wallet, which is in the finance app, which is in the XAI bot, and every day it gets topped up with the profits you made, and from there you transfer it also to your current wallet, to your dashboard, to your main wallet. And you have an affiliate wallet which is going to earn on a real-time base during the day, whenever a new client has appeared, whenever a new deposit has been made, and you are transferring from here to your main wallet. Okay, next. You get a statistic showing, okay, this account has earned since February 27,000 not profit. These are few typos which still needs to be taken out. It's earning 27,000 earning, just the regular commission in the partner program. But it also received 18,600 in rank achievement bonus. This is whenever you are reaching a new rank, you are getting from $100 all the way to $3 million, a one-time payment which is in real time in your wallet and can be taken out. You see that you are in level 7. This will be also changed to the actual wording, which is prime or, as of now, diamond. Then it shows you how much volume you have made in your team. And keep in mind, our volume is calculated by a so-called career turnover. So let me tell you, whatever happens in your team, let it be a new deposit of a client, let it be profit made by a client, in the entire team, you are getting paid on the real dollar amount, which is either being put into the XAI bot or made by profit every single day. Always 100% on the dollar amount. Now, when it comes to ranks, the company is taking from this amount only 40% for you to go up in ranks. That is simply a calculation scenario, because if not that way, the company cannot pay this wonderful commissions. So let me repeat. We all get paid on exactly the dollar spent by a client in your team. But when it comes to go up in ranks, it will be taken by 40% and adding up and brings you from rank to rank. In this case, with my daughter, it's $428,000 career turnover. Means this is representing 40% of the actual amount in the team. So we are talking roughly $1.5 million real money, which comes down to 428,000 career turnover. Next, you have your link, and then it shows you very convenient the real amount which you have to add in your entire team, endless deep, in order to rank up. In that case, to become a double diamond. Talking about the old names. So 178,000 real dollars to be added in the team to give you 14.5% next time once you have reached this. And let me jump a bit down, because here you see, hey, you require 71,000, and this again is a career turnover. So the next rank is achieved if a personal deposit has happened of 10,000, which you see is a green hack because it's even 12,000. Plus, what is missing? 71,000 career turnover dollar. And this 71,000 is equal to real money 178,000. So 178,000 by 40% is, 71,000. Okay? This is how you can read your back office. It shows she is diamond. It shows again the overall volume made so far. It shows once, little Lucy, you are going for double diamond, we are happy to give you $20,000 as a rank achievement bonus. And now we are going to the most amazing part, which is the residual income. We call it profit on profit. And this is, in her case, 17.5%. Means she is getting from the profit made of her direct clients 17.5%. Of course, the client has not to pay it. The client gets the full amount, but this is the number, the base, where the 17.5% gets calculated in order to give her the override, the profit share in her team. And as with the regular plan, if this team is going more down and it has more levels in the team, then you get always a difference. So let's say Lucy is at 17.5%, and then there's one leader who's already at 15%, so she will make the difference of 2.5%. And the AI in the system is so smart to give her an overview what she can expect per day. which is in that scenario $302 earning every day profit on profit, due to the fact that in her team are superstar leaders which are on the same level or just one level down below. One is even higher than my daughter and made much more money. But this is the beauty of this compensation plan. So the AI is forecasting, hey, as of now, you can expect roughly $300 per day. And then you have again statistics. Keep in mind, this is always on the running week, on the running month. So as we are now at a Sunday, you see without the payment of today, she made $1,400 for this week. But if we, for example, go to the months, it shows us 1,090 because the month just has started. It's always the running months, not the past 30 days, all right? And then you have, again, information about the ranks in the old names and the requirements. And let me point this out one more time. The next rank is the double diamond, which requires $10,000 personal volume. It gives you $20,000 one-time commission, and it requires a career turnover of $500,000. Again, this is 40% of the actual amount. And now listen very carefully. On August 1st, first time, the official and final partnership program, career plan, compensation plan, you name it, will be taken into action. And then to reach a double diamond, everything stays the same, but you also have to have 1, 2, or 3 people in your team who themselves has achieved a certain rank. So there's one more condition being added, because as of now, everything was done by the marketing budget. Now we are going into serious business, which means the entire month of July, you can reach your desired rank, let's say Emerald, just by achieving $100,000 career turnover, just by making $2,000 personal volume, and that gives you $5,000 one-time bonus. It gives you all the percentages, and you will stay Emerald / the new name to come forever. So you don't have to do the extra qualification, which will get active only August 1st. That means this now 3-4 weeks almost in the month of July gives you the benefit of qualifying for Thailand, going into the share pool, which is being paid out first time October 16. Watch the other videos about this beautiful add-on. And of course, you can go to each and every rank much easier and faster than it will happen in August 1st. So welcome to July one more time. And then we have the different bookings. I'm not going to this, which are showing you each and every transaction based on the affiliate. Last not least, let's have a look at the Thailand promotion. For some accounts, the numbers are already in. The others will be in by Monday itself. Thailand Phuket will happen October 16th for either 3 or 5 days. And you can get it fully free of charge. The qualification is $25,000. This is the real amount. This is not the 40%, important. $25,000 in direct sales, means with your front lines, with your direct clients, with your direct partners. And here we are counting the existing ones who might be on reinvest, who might add to their invest, as well new clients. Once this is reaching $25,000 all the way till August 15, this is the end of the incentive, you will be invited for one person. Everything is paid on place in a beautiful resort, and you get even $750 flight money into your account. The next rank or the next level is executive, which requires $40,000 direct volume, okay? And this even gets you with your spouse, husband, wife, or a friend or a business partner. So 2 people are qualified, all expenses paid on place, and $1,500 reimbursement for the flight. Next level is the VIP level. Same thing, more flight money and a VIP treatment when it comes to a suite, when it comes to the special transfer and pickup service, and much more. Requires $60,000. And last not least, and this is new, an elite VIP level, which is the same like the one before, just with more flight money and 2 extra days in this high-end luxury resort in Phuket. And like said, some numbers are already booked in, but by Monday evening, all since Antalya, all the volume is counted and will be showcased here. And I'm like to congratulate already 12, 13 people from where I know that they already are qualified for level 1, 2, and even 3. I hope this helped, and wishing you a beautiful Sunday and lots of success in the month of July, which can be an historical month due to the advantages I just was sharing with you. Take good care and goodbye.